Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to delete your Odnoklassniki account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your preferred browser on your mobile. Then open Odnoklassniki by tapping ok.ru on your search box. After that, make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Go ahead to the top left corner of your screen, tap on the three-barred menu, scroll down, and you'll see computer version. Tap on it, tap on go. Now you'll be able to see the web version of your Odnoklassniki account. Now simply zoom in and tap on your profile icon and tap on help. You'll be redirected to a page like this. Tap on My Profile. Under this, simply tap on General Settings. Under General Settings, search for Delete My Account. Then you'll be redirected to this page. Now to simply delete your profile, tap on the link that is highlighted on orange and you'll be given all of this for license agreement, and at the bottom of this you'll be able to see the option of delete profile. Tap on it. Now select the option for why you're leaving Odnoklassniki or why you want to delete your Odnoklassniki account. And finally, enter your password from your profile. And after you've entered your password from your profile, tap on the delete button that appears on the bottom of your screen. And then your Odnoklassniki account will be deleted. However, a deleted profile can be restored within 183 days from the moment of deletion. After that, all your data on your Odnoklassniki account will be deleted permanently and there's no way to recover it. And this is how you can delete your Odnoklassniki account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.